So you're looking for a scholarship to benefit yourself. Fair enough. But what incentive are you providing to your scholarship provider? Yes, of course, there are many scholarships out there that just help students in need. But they're oftentimes not enough. Today, I'm going to tell you about 3 ways to get scholarships that are enough, and that can work almost anywhere in the world. So we're going to start with 3 main words: provost, dean, and founder. These are 3 very important words. Provost and a dean tend to mean similar things, and they're basically the head of the university or specific college. As for founder, well, you can guess, they're basically the people who founded the university. Now, what these people have in common is they have very important ranks at the university, as in their personal reputation is closely tied with the reputation of the university. So it's in their best interest that the university's ranking rises. And the best way to do that is to get you, a young, bright student who can bring new energy and diversity to the university, and hence increasing their ranking. You are important to them, and that's why they have scholarships for you. And I've talked to many students and asked them about this, and apparently many students had no idea about the existence of these scholarships. So you could get an amazing head start accessing some scholarships that are actually looking for students and they just don't have enough applicants. Of course, yes, maybe your seniors or other friends would already know about them, but that doesn't mean that you can't be the first in your batch, especially the first of the applicant group at a specific university. So what you do to find them is very simple. Just open your search engine and write one of these words. For example, let's say provost, and say, right, provost scholarship, and maybe write the name of your university or just search in general, and you'll be surprised at the amazing opportunities you can get by just that simple tip. But before you go doing that, I want you to consider the second tip, which can yield amazing results on its own, but paired with the first one, it's incredible. And this is: choose the university that needs you. Find the universities that are new or specifically need your help to increase their ranking. So if you're an international student, for example, maybe find a university rather than one that has a larger international student body, one that's lacking in that case. And therefore, they're the universities that are looking for you. They need you to increase their ranking because you increase their international student body. Or you could also look for new universities, ones that have recently started and are still looking for students to establish themselves. And in that case, a scholarship for you is just a small investment for them, for their big project. And oftentimes, these universities will have a large capital that will help them help you in whatever research projects you may have in mind. I actually do know quite a few master's students who didn't have the most stellar of GPAs in their undergraduate studies, and yet they were able to find opportunities in such universities because these universities are eagerly willing to pay for you. And thirdly, but a very important one, is the government. And I'm not talking about your government. I'm talking about the government of the university that you'd like to go to. So if you're, for example, a native, then yes, in that case, your government. You see, students bring friends in the form of relatives, family, friends, or they can also bring very important immigrant skilled workers. And additionally, this flux of incoming international students increases the ranking of the universities of the country as a whole, which all in all is very beneficial to the economy of the country. So what you can do is open the government's website, the sites that are related to education, or the embassy's websites, and you'd be surprised at the amazing opportunities that you can take advantage of. The thing about these scholarships is that they often pay for everything, including your housing, your flights, your education, and even a monthly stipend at times. And additionally, they even sometimes provide luxuries such as laptops. I myself have taken advantage of such scholarships, and I would love for you guys to do the same. And I also do have some other information about scholarships that I will share in my next videos. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any friends or relatives that you think might be helped by this kind of information, please don't forget to share it with them. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.